Welcome back again speaking session. In today's video we are going to discuss very important few words that is used as a verbs as well as nouns, as adjective as well as adverbs. So let's discuss these words that can used as a verb, as a nouns, adjective and adverb. First one is accept. If you will use as a noun, then it will be acceptance. If you will use as a noun, it will be acceptance. Next one is act. Act is adjective. If you will use as a noun, it will be action. It will be action. Act, action. Act, action. Act, action. Act as a use noun. We can say that it is action. Action. Next one is add. Add is adjective. You can use as a noun. Addition. You can use as a noun. Addition. You can use as a noun. Addition. Add. Addition. Add. Addition. Add. Addition. Adjective. Add. Addition. Add. Addition. Adjective versus nouns. Add. You can use addition. Next one is advice. Advice is the same pronunciation, but it's a spelling difference. Advice, ISC here, advice CE. So both are same voice but different words and different situation as adjective as a noun. Next one is anger. Anger can be used for both noun and adjective. Noun and adjective. You can use anger as a noun, as an adjective. Next one is approve. Approve is adjective. You can use as approval. So it is used as a noun and adjective. Noun and adjective both are words related to adjective versus nouns. Approve, approval. Approve, approval. Both are used in different situations. Attract. Attract is adjective, and when you say attraction, it will be used as a noun. It will be used as a noun. Attract, attraction. Attract, attraction.